Hi viewers, this is my third video of Osclass tutorial, and let's start it. So as in every video I tell you about my classifyhub.com website, which I have built with the Osclass. So it's not that attractive, but hope many will like the theme of this website. So I represent this website as an example of the finished product, that how it would be look like. Okay, so let's go to start our tutorials. So when you will go to, as we have mentioned in the second videos, that when in a cPanel we will install the Osclass in our cPanel. So after installing, they will give us one link for the this kind of a link, as you can see here, this kind of a link for the website, and another link for the admin side. This is the front side of the front side of the website, that viewers can see it. But behind this there is a back office from where we control the website. So they also give the link for that, and they will also give you the username and the password. So I'm going to log into my admin or my back office. Okay, so OC admin, this is the text for the backslash, and the OC admin is the link for the administration area. Okay, so here my password is Hayat1. I will give my password and usernames, and it will take me to the admin area. This is the admin area. This is the back office where we control our whole website. As you can see, we have here, I have here 1163 posting, and if I go to the themes, okay, which I later I will explain to you. So I have two themes. One is Rita theme by Pulu Kellen. Sorry Polo Kellen. I may be not able to pronounce it correctly. And the second one is Patricia theme, which is active. This is not active yet. You can see that the active here we can see the active button and the preview button and the delete button, but here we can't see anything because this is the active themes, and this is not active themes. Okay, so let's do it. This is I should tell you from where I should start. Okay, this is the name for website UAE free classifieds. This is the power button where we can off and on, and here you can see this is the available theme, and this is the market. If you go to the market, it will open the available theme in plugins. As you can see, if you go to the market, they will give you they will give you all the available themes and plugins. All they will show you. Okay, these are 107. Okay, so this is they in the market they will show you all, If you click on the plugins, they will show you only the plugins, the paid plugins and the pre plugins. And if you click on the themes, they will show you the available themes, paid or free themes. And if you go to languages, so here you can download many languages according to your website. If you are if you are launching website in Russian language, so the Russian language are available. If you want to install your if you want to build your website for the Chinese users, you can download the language here Chinese, and you can include it. But you are free for selecting the languages. You can download as many languages as you want, but it will not look so nice. So what languages are required for your website, you should only download that much languages. Okay. Okay, this is enough for today. In the fourth video we will go more further. Till then, take care and bye.